Welcome to our channel. So if your computer is running slower, all you need is to go to your computer and then press on Windows plus R. Okay, so when this menu pops up, all you need is to type in prefetch and then click on OK. So you have to accept and click on continue. So what you need is to select everything by pressing Ctrl A and delete everything. So what you are not supposed to delete or that does not work for you, have to skip that and leave that over here and close that and press on Windows R again. So right now you're not going to type prefetch, but rather going to type in temp temp and press on OK. So these are the temporary files. You just have to select everything and delete them again. Alright, so right now what you need to do is to come press on Ctrl R again, and now you're not going to type in temp again, but rather going to type in percentage temp percentage, and now press on OK. Alright, so these are your temporary files that has also saved by your browser and all the applications that you've opened with your computer for a longer period of time. Just select everything by hitting Ctrl A and also delete everything. So you could see the space being used by these temporary files. Okay, so you have to skip some of them because you cannot delete them. Alright, so you have to close that, and after doing this your computer will run very fast for you. If you love content like this, don't forget to subscribe, like the video and follow us for more. See you in my next video.